Hey guys, welcome back. So it's been a long time. So for today's video, ayan, pupunta kami ng Rastanura and papasyalan namin yung bagong tulay. Diba? Na-miss nyo ba siya? Charis. Ayan, update na lang mamaya. Lamig guys, stop over. Stop over from Pampanga. Coffee muna. Pabagyo na kami guys. Para ano sir, coffee? Opo.
Black coffee ka ba?
Black coffee.
Soup coffee, black coffee, black coffee, diba? Karak discussion. Yes. Ano ba sa topic natin?
Oo, hindi ko alam.
Egg fruta. Wala ka? You have egg fruta? Egg fruta, ha? Brother, egg fruta. Beef? Egg fruta? Beef. Egg fruta. Egg. Paidrihan? Egg fruta.
So, starting the day with my power up coffee, one sip and we're locked in, changed up and ready to cross the day. So, let's go guys. So, ito yung partner ng aming coffee guys. This is what we call egg fruta. Yan guys. So, very ano dito sa Saudi yan. Egg fruta. Ayan guys. So, it's already 6 AM. Maliwanag na. Nag-breakfast lang kami dito. Stop over. Sa ano yan? Green leaf. When the sun goes by. Tuloy ang biyahe. Biyahe ng buhay. So we are now approaching the Safwa Rahima New Bridge. So it is a road project in Saudi Arabian Eastern Province connecting Safwa with Rahima Rastanura with a total road length guys na 15 kilometers. So ang main feature 3.2 kilometer twin sea bridge, that one of the longest marine bridge in the kingdom that recently opened. Ayan guys. So shorten travel time between Safwa, Rahima, Rastanura, Qatif and nearby areas. So yun guys. So reduce traffic congestion and improve traffic flow. Ayan guys. We already passed by the new bridge here in Rahima, Rastanura. Grabe, ang ganda ng clouds ngayon guys, para silang cotton candy na hinipan ng hangin. Alam mo yung vibe na parang hindi mo alam kung saan ka dadalhin, pero game ka lang. Ang sarap gumala pag ganito, presko, tahimik, at parang lahat ng problema mo naiwan sa bahay. Kaya tara guys, samahan nyo ako habang nag-explore tayo today. So let's enjoy the moment, one beautiful cloud at a time. Ayan guys, so samahan nyo akong gumala dito. Ayan na. Bob. Ang lamig. Behind the scene.
Click mo naman.
So let's go to another destination. Wait lang. So we are now approaching Tarot Castle, guys. One of the oldest historical landmarks on Tarot Island. So as we get closer, you can already feel the weight of centuries in its towering stone walls. Ayan guys, so malapit na kami, tanaw na namin yung castle guys. So ayan na yan guys. So let's go and let's check it inside. Tarot Castle. Close be.
Close siya.
Maganda sana no pag makapasok.
Maganda mo picture.
Entrance. So dito kami guys sa Tarot Castle. Ayan yung castle. Close pa. Tarot. Mahaba be.
Mahaba po na.
Oo. Hintayin natin mag-open para
Ako may entrance.
meron nga.
Ito QR code.
The Garden of Tarot Palace. So sarado pa guys. I think 9 to mag-open eh. Dapat pala nag-mangrove muna tayo na. So ito yung wala. So welcome to Tarot Castle, one of the oldest historical fortresses in Saudi Arabia. Standing proudly on Tarot Islands, this castle has watched centuries of travelers, traders, and civilization pass through its shores. Its coral stone walls and winding pathways whisper stories of protection, culture, and the people who once lived here. So today I'm walking through its gates to explore the beauty of the Eastern Province from a place where history and the scene meet. Join me as we uncover the hidden corners, the timeless architectures, and the breathtaking views of Tarot Castle. So let's go guys! Explore natin ito. Hindi na ako. Promise. So ito yung tarot guys. Tarot Castle. Pero sad to say, hindi kami makapasok kasi close. Ayan. So better luck next time guys. So naghanap kami ng maiihian. Ang layo kasi puro mga close. Close nga talaga no. Parang inaayos pa lang siya. Oo. Ayan, so uwian na. Ay magmamangrove pa pala. Tapos pupunta pa tayo ng ano, ng tawag doon, Gulayan. So ayan guys, so tapos na kami nag-ikot dito. So at kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please don't forget to click like, shares, and subscribe. Ayan, pakisampal ng pulang button at hilahin ng notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking mga bagong video. So see you on my next vlog guys.